everybody and welcome to a video with me, Conker. Woo! And today in this video I am going to be starting my creative series, and I guess for the start I should build a house. I think I'm going to build it out of bricks, like a normal looking house, and I'm going to build it on a hill just in case I need some redstone. So let's get started. So let's do a neat hill that actually can look neat. A circle hill, really. So let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 9, 10. Oh, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is an exact circle. Yep, it is. And now we're just going to build it up, so we can make it look neat. So let's start by doing this. Just go beep 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 beep. I should probably turn the music down. That's what I think I might do. So let's just go. Here. Is that any better? Anyway, I know this is a bit boring, but it will be fun when I actually get started on the main hill. Oh, I forgot to turn off my thingy, but never mind. I think this is going to be one of this one. I'll do this and one more layer, I think. And then this will be spot on. Should be nearly done with this row. How do you think that looks? At the moment it looks a bit weird, but soon it will actually come to a good start. Bop, bop, bop. Bop, bop, bop. I should probably get a swiftness potion doing this. Oh, that's invisibility. Yeah, this will last a long time. I'm probably going to put a beacon up so that we don't have to do we can build quicker. You can see the grass in the distance. It looks a lot different colour green to the one we can actually see now. Oh, there's a cow. I turned mob spawning off, so I don't know how these animals have spawned. Tell me in the comments if you know. And the first comment I will pick out, and that will be the one that gets a shout out in my video. So that looks quite good. Now we're gonna build a little entrance. So let's just go. Bop, 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 bop. Is that right? And bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. Bop, 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 bop. So that looks quite good. So now let's do my house. I think I'm going to have it in circle shape, like I've done with the house. So let's do this. Let's do it 1, 2. Let's just see how it goes. I think it might go in here. I'm not really sure. I want to keep it equal with the hill, so it looks good. I think I should have done it a bit more in, out. Yeah, out, sorry. So how does that look? That looks quite good. So let's do the windows. By the way, guys, I still haven't done any PC videos. If you do want me to do some, I can surely do some. It's just that I don't know if you want me to yet. So leave your questions and what I should do in the comments. Oh, why did I get that? Oh, Why did I get that? Sorry. So that looks quite good. Now let's do this. I think this is going to be the living room and the kitchen in here. So let's just have a look up from the sky. That looks good. So let's just fill this in. What should we have the floor as? I think I'm going to do it as orange carpet. So this is of course going to be the living room. You can see that there's no floor to this hill. You never know, I might put a basement down there.
Hello? Yeah.
Yes!